Njewon, my good people, please sit down small and listen to me carefully.
I have a very important message, but before I go into it, I would like to ask a simple question. Have you noticed that these days, many people complain of things like headache, fast heartbeat, dizziness, and serious tiredness, even also in young people? But I know that some people will say, it's just a stress, while others will say, I did not sleep well last night. Some will even laugh and say, hospital people like to exaggerate things. But my good people, sometimes it is high blood pressure. This particular sickness does not shout, it does not cry, it also does not warn loudly. It enters quietly, like a thief in the night. Today, let's talk about it slowly, clearly, and simply, so that everyone, both young, old, educated, and non-educated, can understand it. Because this message can save many lives when listened very well. Now, what is blood pressure? Let me explain it in the way our mothers will understand. Inside your body, blood is moving every time. When you are sleeping, blood is moving. When you are cooking, blood is moving. And when you are talking, blood is also moving. The blood moves inside something called blood vessels. Now, let's imagine it like this. Your blood is like water, and your blood vessel is a pipe. Then, when the pipe is wide and clean, water flows gently with no noise, no problem. But when the pipe becomes tight, dirty, or blocked, the water begins to push hard. That strong pushing is what we call high blood pressure, which simply means that the blood is pushing too hard inside the body. And that pressure is too dangerous if it stayed in there for too long. Now, why is high blood pressure called the silent killer? My good people, please listen very well. This part is very important. The truth is that high blood pressure is not like malaria. It will not make you shake. And it will not always make you weak. You can have it for over 5 years and you will still be walking up and down. You might be laughing, attending parties, or even doing your work normally. But inside you, it's slowly destroying the body. That is why doctors call it the silent killer. Many people only discovered it when they suddenly collapse, when they have stroke, or when their kidneys stopped working, or even when their heart becomes weak. And by that time, it will no longer be a small matter. But that's not what we really want. And that's why I'm here. Signs the body may show though. People always ignore these signs. But please don't ignore it this time. Headache that comes often. Dizziness like the ground is turning. Fast or punching heartbeats. Chest pain or chest tightness. Blurred vision or eye pain. Tiredness even when you did nothing. Nose bleeding sometimes. But the truth is that not everyone with high blood pressure will feel these symptoms. And that's the most dangerous part. This is why checking is more important than feeling. Now, who can have high blood pressure? People may say it's old women's sickness, but that's a big lie. Today, young people in their 20s are having it now. Women and men is having it. It's no longer for fat people, even slim people have it. You can have blood pressure if you eat much salt. You can have it if you eat much processed food. You can have it when you don't move your body. You can have it when you take much alcohol. You can have it when you are always angry or stressed. You can also have it when you sit down all day. So please, let us stop saying it's meant for a particular people. These are African thinking's vast medical truth. Africans, thinking too much is the only cause. Medical, thinking too much can increase blood pressure. But salt, food, body weight, and lifestyle matters a lot. Africans, I feel fine, so I'm okay. Medical, high blood pressure does not need your attention to destroy your body. Africans, once I take medicine and feel better, I will stop. Medical, stopping medicine without doctor's advice can lead to death. Africans, herbal mixture alone can cure it. Medical, some herbs can help, but always consult your doctor for that. What can high blood pressure damage in our body? If it is not controlled, it can damage this that follows. It damages the brain, which causes stroke. It damages the heart, which causes heart failure. It damages the kidney, which causes kidney failure. It damages the eyes, which leads to blindness. My people, this sickness does not joke when it comes.
Now, let us talk about how we can protect ourselves. I mean, the solutions.
Number 1, always check your blood pressure, even when you feel fine.
Number 2, reduce intake of salt. It's an enemy to the heart. Always check your food before adding more salt.
Number 3, always move your body.
Walking 30 minutes a day is quite enough.
Number 4, eat more fruits and vegetables, then eat less oiled and fried food.
Number 5, manage stress, rest little, smile little, pray and talk to someone.
Number 6, take medication correctly whenever a doctor gives you medicine. Now listen to this true life story of a man in my area, a very strong man, hardworking and always busy. He always say, I don't have time for hospital because time is money. So one day while he was eating, his spoon fell down from his hand. His mouth twisted, he couldn't move his body well again. Then it was stroke caused by high blood pressure. So my good people, let us not wait until the body starts giving us signs before we can check ourselves.
In conclusion, remember, I am not here to scare you. I'm here because your life matters. Check your BP always. Take care of yourself.
Mind you that is he who lives that stays to enjoy wealth.
Share this message with parents, aunties, uncles, and friends.
If there is something you learned from this message, please subscribe, share and like. Who knows, you might be saving a life out there.
Biko nu, ka anyị lekọta n'onwe anyị nke ọma, ndị nke m.